Hello everyone, this is just a short video of the new Intercity addition to Yrreb's Train series on Roblox. Also me and PK Master are making a big video, so that is why there hasn't been many videos. Also there is a new Croydon update soon, so I will make a video on that. It's 1.3.2 I think. We will watch all of it first. I'm already excited. Let's see what there is now. I don't know if this is based on a station, but if you know what it is based on, let me know. There is also a route master. This is the open doors of a HST's MK3 cars, I think. This is modeled well. The inside of the coaches. There's the Intercity logo. I didn't see the interlock lights before. While there is a Class 55, a Class 43, and a Class 101, I think I am probably wrong. Wow, that was good. I'm really excited for this. Make sure to like and subscribe if you want me to play this when it comes out. Anyways, bye.